Why faith is replacing knowledge. The black box model. One thing is undisputed. Our world is getting more complicated all the time. Black and white, good and bad, right and wrong, have displaced by complicated constructs that leave most people in the dark. As the world around us becomes increasingly fast-paced and complex, the amount that we really know, that we can really grasp and understand, decreases all the time. As recently as the 1980s, teachers still tried to explain to their pupils how computers worked, in terms of binary code. Today it is more or less taken for granted that we do not understand many of the things that surround us, such as mobile phones and iPods. And even if somebody tried to explain the DNA code to us, we would probably be out of our depth. We are increasingly surrounded by black boxes, complex constructs that we do not understand even if they are explained to us. We cannot comprehend the inner processes of a black box, but nonetheless we integrate their inputs and outputs into our decision-making. The amount that we simply have to believe, without understanding it, is increasing all the time. As a result, we are tending to assign more importance to those who can explain something than to their actual explanation. In the future it will be the norm to convince people with images and emotions rather than with arguments. Hello viewers, if you like this video click the like button and subscribe our channel to get latest updates.